What's up, y'all? Welcome back. This is part 2. I know you ladies have been waiting for this. I've got a lot of comments and DMs on when I was dropping this video for hairline customization. So here's our frontal from part 1. It is air dried. This is how it looks. So now we're going to get into plucking. Okay, so here's my custom unit. I've taken that frontal that I prepped and added my bundles, made it into a custom unit for a customer. We're going to start with our plucking. As you can see, the hairline already comes pre-plucked, so that makes the process a whole lot easier. So what I like to use is a small tooth comb and these small tweezers that you see me with. I actually got these tweezers from Sephora. There are many tweezers that came in a pack of like, I think 4 or 5. I don't know why I like these small tweezers. I think it's just the slant that they have or the angle that works best for me. So I would just say try different tweezers out, figure out which one actually works for you. Okay, so now that I've parted off the section to where I want to start tweezing, I'm going to take my tweezer and basically just start plucking. Like I said before in my closure video, I like to do like this pluck, 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 move, or pluck, pluck, pull, pluck, pluck, pull. That's kind of like the technique that I use. You don't want to stay in the same area because you will get a bald spot. It will suck and you won't be able to fix it. So take your time and remember to stay behind the hairline. That's just something I do. So my technique may or may not work for you. Like I said, to each his own. Try it out. Hopefully it'll help some of you guys out. Hopefully you can take this technique and add something to it and make it work for you. So because I'm not really big on talking or being able to explain exactly how I do certain things and why I do certain things certain ways, so what I'm going to do is just basically sit back and allow you guys to just watch me, watch my technique, and hopefully you guys learn. Oh yes, I just fucking thought about this. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell so you get notifications. Tell a friend, leave me a comment on what you guys think of this video. Also, leave me comments on new videos you guys would like to see. You know, it is a blessing that my frontal was not fucked up in this video because I just knew that you guys could not see my hairline based on how I had the camera angled. But anywho, this is part 2 of my frontal customization little segment. So in this video, like I said before, I'm going to show you guys my plucking technique, and I'm going to show you guys how I prep the hairline and style it and get it ready for install. So if you haven't figured out already or you're questioning it, this process definitely can take some time. I can't really give you a time frame on how long it may take you, or even myself, because sometimes it'll take me 20 minutes to do it. Sometimes it might take me 45, like you never know. But it's all about taking your time so you can produce the best quality. Also, while I'm plucking, you'll see me part sections, pulling the hair back and start plucking in that area. And all I'm doing is just working my way to the front of the hairline. Most people, or I've seen a lot of people pull the hair back on the front of the frontal, and they'll start tweezing from the front of the hairline. For some reason, every time I try that technique, I just don't like the way it turns out, or it does not work out good for me. So this is how I do it, and hopefully you can try it and it works for you too. See, for me, I like to look at my hairline like this, and you see that it's thinning out, and you're not just tweezing and not getting anywhere. It just takes time.
Don't harm on the beats.
One thing I always do once I reach the front of the hairline is make sure I continue to comb and pull that hair back so I can actually get a good look and see if I'm actually satisfied or I need to go back in and do some more plucking. So here I'm showing you guys the side that I have not plucked, this side versus the side that I have plucked, and you can see where the frontal is pre-plucked, which makes a huge difference. I would not recommend anyone get a frontal and try to prep it if it's not already pre-plucked. So here's the side that I have done. As you can see, it looks a lot more natural, and that's really what we're going for, because this is what it's about. It's all about creating that illusion. Okay, so now we're done plucking. What we're gonna do is start prepping your hairline. First, you're gonna see me take out what I'm gonna cut, make into my baby hairs, and I'm gonna grab my mousse. Like I say every time, I always use 50% water, 50% mousse mixed together. I'm gonna start applying that all over the hairline and just combing the hairline out to my desired look. And I'm just gonna repeat those steps all the way across the hairline. So once I'm completely done with customizing the hairline, I'm going to pull that up into a ponytail so I can get it out of the way. Grab me a styling strip, apply that, and put my unit up under the dryer for a while. Okay, so this is it for part 2. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys were able to learn something. I've showed you guys my plucking technique and baby hair placement with styling. Come back for part 3 where I will show you how I finish styling and install a unit, plus elastic band placement. See you next time.